The front door control module is located behind the door panel. You will need to remove it to replace it. Please see our article and video on front door panel removal for additional assistance by following the link provided at the end of this video. With the front door panel removed, you can see the control module indicated by the red arrow above the lower speaker. You will have already removed some of the electrical connections for the door panel when removing the panel. Press in on the tab, red arrow, and separate the electrical connection by lifting the top connection out from the lower. Use a pick and gently press down on the locking tab and slide the electrical connection off of the module in the direction of the red arrow. Use a pick and press in on the tab and separate the top electrical connection. Use a pick and slide out the red locking tabs on the other connectors, blue arrows. Then press in on the release tab and pull the connectors out from the module. They are not interchangeable and you cannot mix them up when reinstalling. Press down on the mounting tab and pull it out from the door, red arrow. You can now lift the module out from the door. This image shows the two side hooks on the module that will slide into the door, red arrows. If you are replacing the front door control module, you will need to have it coded to your vehicle once it is installed. Use care not to touch any of the electrical connections with anything metal and make sure you keep it in its anti-static pouch before installing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.